Hello, welcome to Salomon. I am Guillaume. I'm responsible of the consumer and the offer creation at Salomon. Salomon is a 900 million euro turnover company across the world. We are leader in winter sport equipment and trail running. Since 2019, we have decided to set new ambition for the environmental and societal responsibility, and we have decided to put digital at the heart of this project. Our goal is very simple with two key objectives. The first one is elevate the employee experience, and the second one is to reduce the carbon footprint. And now I invite you to meet the team, who will tell you a little bit more about the project and the action plan.
My name is Thomas Gauthier. I'm in charge of the research and development team at Salomon Footwear. In a more virtuous and responsible innovation approach, we are now using digital twin to improve product design and technicality. Modeling and numerical simulation allow us to seek performance improvement and identify more virtuous alternatives in eco-design approach. They also allow us to reduce the number of prototype and samples needed for product validation, which significantly reduce our carbon footprint and shorten development time. But let's see that in practice. Follow me. We are coming in the area of the footwear lab research. In this laboratory, we have two slopes, one for road running and one for trail running testing. And here we have our research team at work. Hello Tristan, hello Nico. How are we with the latest cushioning test?
My name is Nicolas, and I'm in charge of the biomechanical research program at Salomon, which consists in studying the interaction between the human body and the products. A very important thing for the development of our Salomon shoes is to validate the benefits they bring to our consumers. To do this, we are committed to quantify their performance and validate each of the benefits of our consumer expect. If we take the example of a pair of road running shoes, the shoe cushioning is the #1 benefit that our consumer expect. Before the use of digital simulation, we had some time to test physically more than 100 prototypes in our lab. Today, with Abacus, all these prototypes are tested digitally, and only the best digital prototypes is physically built and tested experimentally. And this is great, as it frees up of time to do more research and innovation.
My name is Tristan. I am a calculation and optimization engineer. At Salomon, digital simulation is embedded from the beginning and throughout the product development process. In partnership with Keonys, we use the finite element analysis software Abacus. We are thus able to numerically reproduce the dynamic behavior of our shoes and their influence on walking and running biomechanics. The interest is twofold. The first is to be able to very quickly predict, optimize, and validate the performance of our products according to specific criteria such as stability, cushioning, or grip. The second is to reduce the number of physical prototypes and aim to get the product right first time.
My name is Emilien. I'm in charge of the digital product creation team at Salomon. When we combine the technical data and the scientific data from the digital simulation with the design intention from the creative team, we obtain a much more realistic visual representation in 3 dimensions of the future reality of the product, which allow our designers to be much accurate in their decision making, which avoid wasting production tools. This digital twin also gives us the opportunity to carry out color iteration to build a range with a good level of realism without having to produce the physical version. These very realistic virtual versions allow us to produce only what has been selected by our sales force to reduce the quantity of commercial samples and therefore to reduce our environmental footprint.
I'm Sebastian. I'm in charge of an innovation program around shoe fit at Salomon. Modeling shoe fit is a challenge related to e-commerce returns, which are costly in terms of CO2 emissions. Today, 15 to 20% of the shoes purchased online are returned because the size is not right. These returns are made easy because the brands propose them free of charge for the customers. However, each pair of shoes returned causes CO2 emissions due to shipping. Thus, the objectives are to better design our shoes by predicting the effect of materials on fit. This can be done with innovative tools and numerical simulation with Abacus, and to propose high accuracy recommendations to our e-commerce customers thanks to digital tools such as food scanners.
Our digital transformation is a transformation that is fundamentally human-centered, which seeks to modernize our creative process to improve the experience of our employees, increase their skill, unleash their creativity with a new toolbox, and increase their employability for the future. I hope this visit inspires you, and you are very welcome to join us on this transformation journey. See you soon.